C, C, G, T, A, T. So that's the format, just like that. So when this is broken by helicase, another enzyme comes to build the new strand, and that enzyme is called DNA polymerase. Polymerase. Poly means many. Polymerase, enzyme, merase. So it means this is the enzyme that can add new bases to this already existing molecule. So after adding the new bases, we'll have something like this. So this builds the new bases, okay, to build, and then this will build in this direction. So at the end of the day, we have something like this. At the end of the day, we'll have something like this. We'll have something like this. Okay, these are the new strands. And then we'll have something like this. Okay. Then here, we have something like this. So here we're now having two new strands. Okay, this is the first strand, the molecule. Now we're having two new DNA molecules here. This is 1 and this is 2. So that is what DNA replication is about, to make a copy of this molecule, to duplicate it. So we are now having two. Now look closely, you see that they are semi-conservative. They are semi-conservative. What does that mean? It means that if you look here, you see that there is one strand from the old. See this old strand here is here. And then there is another strand from the new template, from the new strand that is built. You see? This one is having one strand from the old and then one new strand. So this is like old and new, old and new. That's why it's called semi-conservative. To conserve, it's not 100% conserved. So we're having one from the old, one from the new, one from the old, one from the new. That is why we call it semi-conservative. So there's a whole lot of process that happens here, a lot of enzymes that interplay here and proteins, but we cannot explain them in a short video like this. But this is just the basics of what DNA replication is all about. Just to make a copy of DNA molecule, to duplicate it, to have two copies. So that's it, so that this cell can pass down this material to the next cell. I hope this was helpful. Please share to bio students, share to medical students, students of biology, agriculture, and medicine, those who are doing genetics in their fields of study.